Hello, and welcome to a Five9 TAMTorial. My name is Pam Adorno, and I'm a Five9 Technical Account Manager. Today, we're going to be going over how to make call variables reportable, specifically for the agent station type and the agent IDs. For today, we'll be discussing a feature that allows you to report on the station type selected by agents when logging in to the Agent Desktop Plus or the Agent Desktop Toolkit integrated with third-party CRMs. When the agent logs in, they need to select a station. Mine is on Station ID Auto Assigned. If the agent needs to put in a station ID, that would be assigned by the company. While softphone is the commonly selected, there are instances where different station types are available, and this feature would be helpful in those cases. I'm going to go ahead and log in. So within Web Admin Console, to make a call variable reportable, you first need to go into the variables, or CAV for short. For this one, I'm going to be doing Station ID. I'm going to select on the reporting. And then, yes, we want to use this on reportable. And then you want to select for all dispositions and click Done. You would repeat the same process for station type. Again, making it reportable and selecting for all dispositions. This can also be done in the Java version. Same thing where you go to your call variables, select on the station ID, make it reportable, and then apply to all dispositions, apply, and save. The same thing for the station type, make it reportable, select on the reporting tab, and make sure it's applying to all dispositions. Let's take a look at the call variables on the reports themselves. You can look at a call log report. Whenever you go to the Customize section, you can select the call variables that you're wanting to see. So again, agent station ID and agent station type. And whenever we run those reports, you can see that it captures both the agent station ID, this is the one I was logged into, and the station type, which is softphone. This has been a Five9 tutorial on how to make call variables reportable. If you have any further questions or would like to know more about TAM services, please reach out to your account team.